Hello everyone. In today's video, I will walk you through how to create an account and trade futures on Bitget, one of the world's leading cryptocurrency futures platforms, in a clear and detailed manner. Please proceed step by step at a pace that is comfortable for you. If you register through the link provided in the description below, you will receive a 50% trading fee discount, 20% cashback, as well as additional bonus rewards. Therefore, I strongly encourage you to sign up using that link. Let's begin with the sign-up process. After clicking the link, you will be directed to the Bitget sign-up page. For your login ID, enter either your email address or your mobile phone number. When creating your password, ensure that it is at least 8 characters long and contains at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, one number, and one special character. Next, you will see a field asking for a referral code. In that section, enter *3. By entering *3, you can receive a 50% trading fee discount on Bitget, 20% cashback rewards, along with extra promotional benefits. After completing all required fields, agree to the terms and conditions shown below. Then click the Create Account button. Following the sequence indicated by the icons in the top right corner, select the images displayed on your screen. Enter the verification code sent to your email or mobile device. Once this step is completed, your Bitget account registration will be successfully finished. Next, I will guide you through the KYC identity verification process. To deposit funds, withdraw assets, and trade on Bitget, completing KYC verification is required. Since this verification includes facial recognition, we will continue using a mobile phone. First, install the Bitget app on your smartphone. After the installation is complete, launch the application. Tap the Get Started button to access your account. Log in using the account credentials you previously created on your PC. Once logged in, tap the Verify button located in the center of the screen to start the KYC process. A message will indicate that the verification process will take approximately 5 minutes. Tap Verify Now at the bottom of the screen. Begin by selecting your nationality. Then choose the country or region where you currently live. Next, select the type of identification document you will use for verification. From the available options, choose the ID document you have. In this example, I will use a passport. Tap Next to continue. Prepare your chosen identification document. Then tap I'm ready. For capturing the document, select Take a picture. If you are using a passport, position it within the camera frame and take a photo of the information page. After that, proceed with facial recognition to verify your identity. Place your face within the frame and follow the on-screen instructions by nodding your head and blinking your eyes as instructed. Once this step is done, your KYC submission will be complete. The review process is usually completed within about 1 hour. Shortly after, you will receive a notification confirming that your verification has been approved. Next, I will explain how to activate two-factor authentication. Please return to the Bitget website on your PC. Hover your mouse over the profile icon in the top right corner. Select Security from the drop-down menu. We will enable two-factor authentication using the Google Authenticator app. Click the Configure button next to Google Authenticator. The Google Authenticator setup page will then appear. Download the Google Authenticator application from the App Store or Google Play Store. After installing the app, open it. Tap the plus icon located in the bottom right corner. Then select Scan a QR code. Scan the QR code shown on the Bitget website using your phone. Then, in the Google Authenticator app, a 6-digit code labeled Bitget will be generated. Now, enter this 6-digit code into the Google Authenticator code field on the Bitget website. Click Submit to confirm. After completing this step, Google Authenticator will be successfully activated, finalizing the two-factor authentication setup. Second, I will walk you through how to deposit funds into your Bitget account. There are multiple ways to add funds to your Bitget account using cryptocurrency. In this guide, I will focus specifically on the peer-to-peer trading method, because it does not involve transaction fees and is straightforward to use. First, move your cursor to the wallet icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. You will see several different wallet types displayed. Among them, the spot wallet is used for deposits, withdrawals, and spot transactions, while the futures wallet is reserved for futures trading activities. To initiate the deposit, click on Spot. Next, press the Buy Crypto button located at the top right section of the page. You will then see several available options for purchasing cryptocurrency. Select the peer-to-peer trading option. Alternatively, by hovering over the Buy Crypto button in the top left area, you can directly enter the peer-to-peer trading page. To begin purchasing coins, first switch to Buy mode. Then choose the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. In most cases, USDT is commonly used due to its stable value and high liquidity. Enter the amount you intend to buy. Next, select the fiat currency you will use to make the payment. Afterward, choose your desired payment method. A list of available sellers will then appear on the screen. Here is an important tip. I recommend selecting sellers who have completed many transactions and maintain a high completion rate. Choose the seller you would like to trade with, and click the Buy button. Before moving forward, carefully review the advertiser's terms and conditions. Some sellers may require identity verification before proceeding. Now enter the exact purchase amount again. And double-check your selected payment method. Then click Buy USDT. The seller's payment details will be displayed on the screen. Before transferring the money, check the chat messages provided by the seller. Carefully follow the payment instructions, and complete the bank transfer. After making the payment, return to the Bitget page. Click Paid, notify the other party. After a short waiting time, once the seller confirms receipt of the funds, the purchased cryptocurrency will be credited to your spot wallet. Third, I will explain how to trade futures on Bitget. To begin futures trading on Bitget, you need to transfer your funds from the spot wallet to the futures wallet first. To transfer your assets, while you are in the spot account, click the transfer button located in the upper right corner. Set the transfer direction from spot to USDT M futures, then choose the cryptocurrency you want to move. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Click Confirm. And the balance will be successfully moved to your futures wallet. Now, let's move on to actual futures trading. Hover your mouse over the futures menu in the top navigation bar. Select USDT M futures. The futures trading interface will then be displayed. By clicking the button in the upper left corner, you can choose the cryptocurrency for futures trading. On the right side, within the trade panel, you will find various futures trading settings. If you click this option, you can set the margin mode. Isolated mode means that only a specific portion of your margin is allocated to a single position. Cross mode means your entire available balance is used as margin. If you are a beginner in futures trading, isolated mode is usually considered safer. By clicking the nearby button, you can adjust the leverage level. Leverage can be set up to 150 times. While higher leverage may amplify potential profits, it also significantly increases the risk of loss. For new traders, it is advisable to use lower leverage. Below that, you can select the order type. A limit order allows you to open a position at a predetermined price. A market order executes instantly at the current market price. In this area, you can check the margin currently available for trading. Here, enter the desired price and quantity for your order. Finally, by clicking this button, you can choose the direction of your position. If you believe the price will rise, select Open Long. If you predict the price will fall, select Open Short. Once your order is filled, click the Positions tab at the bottom of the screen. You will then see comprehensive details about your open position. Here, Rho represents your current return on equity. The estimated liquidation price indicates the price at which your position will be liquidated. If the market price reaches that level, your position will automatically be closed due to liquidation. The entry price is the price at which you initially opened the position. The mark price reflects the current reference price used by the system. By clicking the pencil icon next to margin, you can adjust your margin amount. If you select the entire TPSL option, you can set both take profit and stop loss levels simultaneously. Lastly, by pressing the close button, you can close your position. Enter your desired limit price in the close price field. Then input the quantity you want to close in the close quantity field. Click close to exit the position at your specified limit price. If you choose flash close, the position will be closed immediately at the current market rate. Click confirm. Your position will then be successfully closed. Today, we covered the complete process of creating an account and trading futures on Bitget in a simple and easy to follow manner. Be sure to register through the link provided in the description below to receive lifetime commission fee discounts. If you enjoyed today's video, please remember to subscribe to the channel and give the video a like. Thank you for watching.